Hello friends, my name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the calendar control in ASP.NET with C#. So let us start. I share my laptop screen, and here, okay, Microsoft Visual Studio Express for Web Edition is open. Rich demo website folder is already open. In file menu, I take new file, and here C# language is selected. Web form file is there. And here give the name of a page like cal selection mode property. There is a main important property of calendar control, and here we give the title of HTML head section, and that is calendar control. That is our goal of this session. And in division tag one panel, take as a container just ID like P1 run at server side, and grouping tags, that's the selection mode property we have to use. So here we first take calendar ID like cal run at server side, and selection mode properties there, and there are four possible value: day, day week, day week month, and none. So here we select the day week month and just close the calendar and provide the BR tag. Okay, here we provide two BR tag, and taking the bullet list control, that is group control, and take like ULL list, that is ID run at server side, and just close. Okay, so our design, look here design, there is calendar and there is bullet list, and here we just select that calendar, and span button is there, just auto format option is there, so many, here preview, and here select scheme, and here by default remote format simple, professional, here to classical, colorful. So here we can apply professional too, and just apply and okay. So our source code is like so many child tag appear in calendar, like day header style, day style, next previous style, other month day style, selected date style, title style, today's date style. So we can just auto format, and so many source code is applied to our design or itself right by ASP engine. So here we can just double click and selection change event open of calendar control, and here write only two line like bullet list data source properties there, and just we can combine the calendar or that ID of the calendar. Selected date, there is written the date time class, and selected dates as then selection dates of collection. So here we take the dates semicolon, and next bullet list dot data bind. So our goal is selected date print in bullet list. So here just bind and save, and just I can run. So let us check our two-line coding. Selection change event we have to write, and here our web page is running calendar underscore. So here first all day as underline, here week selected is there, and here month selected is there. We can just today's date, and here print the today's date, and I select here select week 4, so I just select all 20 to 26 date is, and now last all month date is selection, and here you can see all the print in bullet list. So this there are two property then first here time is 00, so that's we have to remove this. And uh, after that here bullet style is circle, so we can change that style, bullet style. So in there is no any coding, just we have to take in the source design code over. So in this, okay, so let us go in design, and in bullet list there are two property we have to set. And first, data text for format string and just equal opening closing brace and 0:d. So our just date is appear, not time is gone, and truncate. And now uh, bullet bullet style is property. So many style is there, and here we circle is already applied, so here we take the square. Okay, and now check, just save and run. So let us check. Okay, so here I just click, so there is no time, and here square is appear to circle, and just select the any week, that is week selector, and here all month selector. So okay, so there is all 1 to 20 31 date is print July of 2020. Okay, now we take another control as a group in our design, and here we take the bullet list is there, so we have to first change the selection mode as a none. We have to select at runtime. So here first, see, there are four possibility: day week, month, and none. So here I just none, and we can set at runtime. So before the bullet list, we apply the ASP column drop down list box. So there is ID, DDL, and run it server side, and just close and provide the BR tag, provide the two BR tag. And here we have to supply our selection mode list item. There is a list item style tag of every group control in ASP.NET. So here just day, and then copy and take four value of this selection mode property of calendar. First is day, then day week, first letter is capital, day week, and then month is there, and last there is none. So, and so let us first check any correction is there or not. So here the none. So just equal sign, then or we have to compare day week, yes, day week month. So there is and none. So that's we have to take from this list. Okay, and now what we have to here auto post back. So we can not take any button and just auto post back in true. So we have to and also provide here choose a selection mode. Okay, and just provide the BR tag, and let us check our design. So okay, here our drop down in format menu there is a option, just click, and here set position is there, and by default absolute we provide the relative, and we can take move this drop down to here or title or text, choose a selection mode. Okay, and just you have to code in the drop down selected select index change event. Here we write the selection change event of calendar control, these two lines. And now we can take the selection index change event, because we have to provide auto post making more on true. So here we take the else if ladder condition and drop down and tax. Okay, and equal to first we take the day of selection mode, Then we can also provide the opening and closing brace, but in rules of programming language there is single statement that time not require the opening closing brace. So in this logic there are only one statement. Like here I can first show you. We can take the we provide our calendar. So here calendar equal to selection, okay, selection mode, and then provide selection mode class is there, and just take all four value appear and just provide the day. So there is only one line in if condition, so this brace is not required, so I just remove. Whenever you take two statement, that time you can apply compulsory in for loop, while for while a loop is also same rules, for while and do while, three loops, or if, simple if else, else if ladder, and nested if else, and also in switch case logic. But when there are only one statement, that time you cannot require opening and closing brace. So here I can just remove and else if, and then provide the drop down dot tax and equal to day week next our selection mode property, and just here to here provide same as above. Here calendar dot selection mode equal to calendar selection mode class, calendar selection mode, and just that day week, just, and then now I can copy and paste two times because there are two properties remaining. So here just month, and we can take here calendar selection mode is a day week month, and now there is no after require condition, but there is a last, and he just provide here like none and semicolon, and here also provide a semicolon. So finished the logic, simple. We have to select index change event of drop down list box, and tax is day. Then calendar dot selection mode, we can run time calendar selection mode equal to day, so all day is underline appear, and day week, then week selector is appear, and day week month, and month selector is appear, and in otherwise else there is none, so there is on link is gone. So let us check first this logic, and okay, and here we can also take other format, auto format option, and taking colorful to apply our calendar, because we can see as a one. So here we take another, and our all source code is now back color, for color, font style, all are changed automatically. So now save and just run. So let us check how it's work. Okay, so first time I just click in calendar, but there is no effect. So selection change event of the calendar not working because there is no any selection, because initially we provide the none of selection mode, and now I can select the day. But before we can just one time post back into server side, and now we select the day, so that effect is appear. Okay, you can look here all date underline is appear, and now we can select then this, and here also bullet style square, and only date not time, and uh, in colorful we can also auto format change, and now we can take second day week, so here not week selector is, but now we can select runtime week selector is appear, and just select this current week, so all 20 to 26 date print in bullet list. So we can selection change event and select index change event, there is two event we have to apply in calendar control and drop down list box and bind to the bullet list. And there is no year month selector is appear. We just select at runtime day week month, and here month selected is appear. So all the month 1 to 31 date is print of July 2020. Okay, so last we have to take none. So all link is gone. No day selection, no week selector, and no month selector. So last we have to check. I summarize my this session. We have to first take one calendar, then bullet list, and then drop down. And after important property, we can select the selection mode of the calendar. Other code is auto format is appear. So just selection mode provide first I can day week month, and then after none, because we have to provide the drop down, and that is auto post backing is very important. And on selection index change event, we have to apply as a runtime. We can select the mode of calendar control and just take the bullet list, and there are two important id run it's there, but data text formatting string and opening closing brace 0:d and bullet style so many value. I can just show you for as a, so here so many style is there, so you can apply anyone. Okay, so here we can apply like a square. Okay, last time. And in coding part, that is design file, and that's the design. So there are only three: calendar, uh, that's drop down, and bullet list. And here first we can in calendar double click, so selection change event is open, data source calendar dot select dates. We have to use data source is a bullet list, and bullet list dot data bind. So all the dates select like one date, day of week, and day month of all date, that is bind in the bullet list. And also we can runtime selection, and that we have to click in the drop down, then selected index change event one. So drop down dot text day, and that's we provide day. So calendar selection mode, and calendar selection mode class is there, so just day. So day is in, you can select in drop down, then day is selection in the calendar. Same way drop down dot text is day week, then calendar dot selection mode, calendar selection mode is class, and the day week is selected. Same way day week month, same way logic, and last is a month. So I hope you enjoy this session and understanding. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala Academy and press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, your supporting my previous students, sharing their friends my video lecture. So who not knowledge in their college, because there is a corona effect, so that also get the knowledge in ASP.NET C# very easily. So thanks for your support, and Hare Krishna.